Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. You know, I myself, I feel I'm having a very productive day. I've gotten to record a couple IG reels, some editing some other ones that should be up this week, and right now I received a couple packages, so I'm about to record a few YouTube videos for you guys. So you know, appreciate the effort just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do that right now. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you never miss out on one of my uploads. Remember, I try to post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Wednesdays and Saturdays are my review videos, and on Mondays I'll try to be uploading, you know, like just regular blogs of behind the scenes and all that good stuff. So well, as we all know, summer is here and it's pretty hot outside. If you're wondering why I have a hoodie, it's because my house is like 65 degrees right now, so I'm cold, but outside it's like 95, okay? So we is staying inside because the heat is a killer. So for summer, I have been wearing a lot of shorts, just like many of you probably. And with shorts, I feel what speaks the most are the kicks, for sure. So I've been looking into more like running type of shoes, and New Balance is one of the best brands that I think personally has really comfortable and great style running shoes. So today I'm going to be doing a review for one of my favorite New Balances that I just got delivered literally less than an hour ago. The New Balance 2002Rs, in my opinion, a couple months ago, they were going for so much money, and for whatever good reason for us who want sneakers, the prices are dropping drastically. So if you guys want to go ahead and grab a pair of New Balance 2002s, I would say the time is now, because a couple months ago, I don't think I would have been able to cop these shoes for the price they did, which I'll talk about it in a moment. So right here we have a New Balance 2002R, and the name, it's a bit weird, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. You guys can see here on the label. So I ended up placing a bid for these sneakers on Stockx. My bid was for $120. After shipping and taxes and all that good jazz, I ended up paying $153 with 64 cents, which I can quickly show you right there. Now, I, to be honest, forgot that I had the bid active on Stockx, so I ended up winning and low-key regretted it, and I'll tell you why. Let me just take these out of the box real quick. You know, put the receipt back in there. So I'm sure I'm not the only one who places bids on Stockx and sort of forgets what shoes you're bidding for. So this right here was one of those shoes. I had about 8 active bids, and this shoe happened to be in that list. I would have honestly probably removed the bid, just because I already have a pair of 2002Rs that are super similar to this shoe right here. Now, the colors for these shoes online looked a bit more on the tan side and not too gray like it is right now. On the toe box, it does have some sort of like tans, grays, and this like dark chocolate that it's more like on the black side if you were to look at it from far. I like the laces are like this nice cream color, but again, I do already own a pair that is very similar. Let me show it to you. So this right here was my first pair of 2002s. These right here are like the marble gray, I think they're called. So these right here are actually gray. All the shoe is made out of different tones of grays, which I love. I wear the shoe a lot, and that's why I purchased it in this colorway, because I knew I was gonna get a lot of wear out of it. But this shoe right here, I wish it would have been more on the tan side. That way there would have been a bit more of a difference. There are of course some differences that you can notice, but I feel they're too similar for me to own both of these pairs. Nonetheless, it's not like I can return it because obviously Stockx doesn't take returns. So I am going to keep them, of course, and I'll probably wear these until these here are super beat up, which I doubt that will ever happen just because look at all the shoes I have and none of them are beat up at all. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of this shoe right here. Which one do you like more if I was to like, you know, like make you choose, you know, which ones would you pick, you know? Would you pick the gray ones? These are like the marble grays, I believe. I'll put the name on the screen. And these right here have a name that I cannot pronounce. At least the one on the box, I cannot pronounce. I do like the hints of like this cool cream colorway right here on the top. But again, to be very honest, I would have canceled the bid if I knew they were this similar, right? But it's all good though, I'm not complaining. And anyways, enough chat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. It was a quick one. You know, I just want to kind of show you guys what I've been picking up lately. There are 2 more sneaker reviews coming to the channel, plus that other New Balance as well. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure you do, because all the videos that come into my YouTube platform were already kind of like shown on my Instagram. I tend to do reels of like the things that I receive in the mail, so these unboxings happen on Instagram before you guys saw it here. So if you want to see things beforehand, before the schedules, go ahead and follow my account. With all of that said, I think we're gonna cut it right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.